Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. You ready to welcome them back? Do a welcome back? Okay, smile. Be a smiley lady. Be my smiley girl. Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, we're going to take a drive on the road from between Stokes Hall and Arcadia. We could actually drive up to Arcadia sometime. You know, that's not a bad idea. But I think what I'm inclined to want to do is take the parking lodge road. Want to do that?
Take the parking lodge road now.
Yeah. See, people, we don't always know before we go what we're going to do. Okay, no, this is the Hampton Court Road here. This is just a pretty little drive, you know. I probably ought to be going slower so you can all enjoy it more. You know? I should probably be going slower so people can enjoy the scenery more.
But this scenery is just
green. Just beautiful green scenery.
So is that like it's houses there? You see, it's greenery after greenery. So
you know, and I've got my ISO set a little bit low, so I don't get any graininess. And I wonder, I was thinking about raising it a little bit for when I'm in the deep shadows like this, but I didn't do it. So it's more natural this way, but it's maybe not as easy to see things.
So if we go, let's say, Barking Lodge,
we can go Barking Lodge way.
We won't be able to pick up the stuff.
Oh yeah. True.
Yeah.
That's true, sweetie. Well, yeah. Yeah, because we want to grab that bat, and that's at what, 9 o'clock?
I think he said about 9 o'clock. He's open.
Oh, they're not open today. Or not open yet.
No, it's early.
They've got a nice farm area.
Yeah.
We can just drive up towards Arcadia then, instead of towards or we could drive to Barking Lodge and then back too. And just drive to Barking Lodge and then come back the same way. Yeah. Let's do that. And it's the Barking Lodge Road, right?
Yeah, they call it here Crockett. I think they call it Crockett.
The Crockett Road? Okay. Okay. Well.
There is a unfinished house around here.
Around here somewhere. Right there. Oh, that's going to be nice.
It's on sale because the person died.
Oh, wow.
Excellent.
Too bad we didn't know about that.
Everything you didn't know. Because I don't know, what would you do?
Yeah. Okay, let's see here. Oh, I thought this was a crossroads, but it's not. Oh, I need to hit my start button. Forgot to hit my start on my little mappy map. Too many things to remember. It doesn't matter. I'll know I went to Barking Lodge. Maybe. Wow. All the little side roads. And this is like the jungle, people.
Yeah.
Look, this is nice paved. This road's good right here. They got a good road up in here. Wow. You know? Yeah, this is a nice road.
I can't do it situated the rain. Don't really do much damage to it, you know, like some roads, you know.
Well, because there's a big ravine over here. The water runs off the road and goes down into the ravine, and that's where the water runs. It doesn't run down the road.
Yeah.
That's where they get into trouble when they let it get bushed up on both sides, and it turns the road into a river. They keep the bush, like right here, could be more. See, and look, sure enough, see the road's worse here.
Yeah.
because it got bushed up too much and couldn't go down into the ravine.
Mm-hmm.
And so then the water just runs on the road.
Right.
Yeah, that's what happens. It's a beautiful morning. Uh-oh, copyright strike. Oh no, what's that?
There's a container
Container?
over there, so maybe somebody gonna build or something.
But you know, this fence goes along here. That's been there a while.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if there's some water or electrical or something.
There's a container, so it's somebody's. I think it's somebody's private place.
But it's been there a while because
Yeah,
it's fenced up.
Yeah, but you know what? Sometimes there's many places here in Jamaica where you see container and it's there. Even we went on Alexandria, there was a place where there's a lot where a container is there, and it seems to be there a long time.
Yeah.
So I don't know. It come down from foreign with stuff. I don't know what stuff in it, and it's locked away there.
Yeah.
Kind of trying to chop away.
Well, I was talking good about the road, and I should have knocked on wood because then it got a little rougher. But it's still not bad though. It's still not
so
bad.
Not
No,
so bad.
no.
So dig out.
But this is kind of a nice, Sunday morning drive we're having. I'm enjoying this, sweetie. How about you?
Yes, yeah.
You know? And this is what's people. This is what's fun about our videos. We're doing the video, okay? So it's like you guys get to join us, but at the same time, we're just doing something we enjoy. I don't know if I ever told you this, sweetie, but when I was a kid, we used to go on Sunday afternoon drives.
Oh, your daddy used to.
Uh-huh. Yeah. And we would just, go driving in the country or drive around town.
The whole family.
The whole family, we'd load up in the station wagon and just go on. It was just a nice, a nice, enjoyable time.
Yeah, but especially for children.
Oh yeah, we just loved it. And as adults, being an adult now, I still like doing it. It's still nice, and it doesn't have to be Sunday because we're retired.
Oh, look at that.
Woo! Look at this. Better make sure I go through this the right way, or I'll lose a tire. Yeah.
What kind of?
Gas prices are so high, people don't really maybe inform and do that like they used to. Maybe they do. I mean,
drive around.
Yeah, and if you live in more of a city, it's kind of fun to drive around to different neighborhoods and look at the houses and dream about, if I could afford a house in this neighborhood. And, it kind of motivates you to try to do something. Now, this got a big berm here on the left. I don't quite understand that. Or maybe it is just a low spot. We kind of cut through the hill here. It looked like a berm, but now I see it's not a berm. It's just higher. The road just lower here. Well, we're getting close to Barking Lodge. Let me see here. Oh yeah, it won't be too much longer. It won't be too much longer. Recenter that. I just so like this little mappy thing I have. Something about knowing where you've been, when we're going somewhere, I like my regular GPS map because what's important is where we're going. But when we're videoing, it's more important where we've been, because I don't want to necessarily backtrack if I don't have to, although today we may backtrack. So we'll see.
You know, this place is so dense.
Yeah.
You know, then
It's like a
like
path through the jungle.
yeah, any space that there would be, there is some vines that keep tying up.
Mm-hmm.
You know. We reached the first house.
Okay. Well, they run their water so it goes down into a pipe, maybe into a cistern or something off the roof.
They're by themselves.
Mm-hmm. Oh, see the ocean down there?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's dazzling like diamond.
Yeah.
This one is a nice one. What it's not finished yet, or somebody living there.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Somebody upstairs.
It looks,
You know, somebody-
doesn't look like anybody's living there necessarily, but
You know, it's
they might be living downstairs.
It's 3 floor. Mhm.
Yeah, it's big.
Mhm. 3 floors.
Hmm. Oh, wow.
That's a nice view.
Okay. Let me back up here so we can really get a nice view here. I'm filming it into the sun, but
That's a nice view.
that's beautiful. The cattle down there.
This house nice too.
That's a nice home.
Nice.
That's a really nice home. Wow.
The person is nice.
Mm-hmm.
Another one here. Another one here. Ooh. 2 houses in this Yeah, the one at the front, and there's a big one at the back. And houses maybe up that way too.
I'm not gonna take that road though. This is Barking Lodge, people.
Nice house. So when the water coming off the hill,
Okay.
oh, around there, so it's Unity. I remember when I was a child, one lady was living beside us named Sis.
Yeah.
She took us to Unity. That's where our parents.
Oh, okay. Welcome to Barking Lodge community.
And it goes that way too.
Well, if we go,
You can go to like New Pier if you go that way. The school
we could
is
go to
down-
Unity and Springfield.
Springfield have to go this way.
Huh?
Springfield have to go this
Yeah, that way.
Yeah.
You go past Unity and then through
But
Springfield.
New Pier and Old Pier, you go
You
that
go that
way.
way, and then if you turn left, you go through Springfield again.
Mm.
So, well, sometime I want to come here and do more driving around. This was more about getting here today and the country road. Because we'll definitely come through here again on the way to Piro and all those, you know. All right, viewers and subscribers, we're going to go ahead and wrap this one up. Hopefully you all enjoyed our little video in St. Thomas. So thanks for joining us. Be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest from Red Button Journal. Big up yourself. Bless up yourself. Later and
Amen.
amen.